If you were to describe your page in a few words and replace the spaces with hyphens, that would usually be good enough for SEO, but you'd probably prefer not to take a stab in the dark. Hi, I'm Callie from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. Let's run through a simple process for creating optimized URL slugs. Remove special characters. Have you ever seen a URL with backslashes or square brackets? Probably not, because these are unsafe characters that don't belong in URLs. You should remove these for obvious reasons, but it's also best practice to remove other special characters like commas, colons, and semicolons, etc. Remove superfluous information. Google says it's good practice to make URLs as simple as possible, so remove anything you don't need from your potential URL. Note that you'll have to use common sense for this part. The aim is not to make your URL so short that it no longer accurately describes its content. It's to remove unnecessary words and phrases. Boil it down to a keyword. Most titles naturally contain keywords, so what you're probably left with at this stage is a simplified keyword-rich version of your title. This can lead to long URLs that get truncated in search results. The additional context can also be an issue should you ever want to update the page. So the next step is to find the keyword that represents the most popular way people search for your page's topic. Make it lowercase. Most web servers treat lower and uppercase URLs the same, but this isn't always the case. Technically, everything after the hostname or domain in a URL is case sensitive, and some servers will treat them differently. To be on the safe side and avoid potential duplicate content issues, use lowercase URLs always.